If you guys won't take action, I can't do anything about it. It is your responsibilities. Why do you want to do this? Because you hate your boss, that's all? Find a deeper meaning. Why do you want to do this? Because obstacles will always be there. And you have to embrace obstacles. Hindi ka lalakas kung ang buhat mo lagi magagaang. You cannot grow your muscle if you lift the same stuff over and over again. Same thing with our mind. This mind won't grow if you don't sit and think. Is thinking easy? No. Kaya nga, most people, they just simply want to sit in the couch and watch television. That's all they want. They watch telenovela, they watch Tulfo, they'll watch noontime show. Why? Because those activities, it doesn't require you to think. And thinking consumes energy. But if you want to succeed in life, well, guess what? You gotta think. Now, to avoid overwhelm, because yun yung mga challenge eh. Overwhelm ako, Sir John, ang daming dapat pag-aralan. Focus ka muna sa Module 1. Paano ka ma-overwhelm kung isa lang ang pinag-iisipan mo? Hindi. But if you watch this another mentor, you watch another this coach, o may nag-post na naman dyan, may e-com, o may post na naman, yun, nag-invite yung kumari mo, another MLM. Uy, eto, sikat na naman to, trending daw tong shawarma business na to. That is the problem. Every business opportunity is out there. The truth is, 99.99% of them, you're gonna make a lot of money. But the reason people do not succeed in those businesses, not just my program, because they jump from one business to another. Ito yung tinatawag na shiny object syndrome. That is a problem. Pag may nakita silang bago, boom, uy, I need to get that. Uy, may bagong pagkakakita, mukhang mas madali, enroll ako. Uy, attend ako. That is the problem. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.